Welcome to Hood Watch News. Please like and subscribe and enjoy the content.
Can I help you?
Hello?
Can I help you? That you went in my front for like 10 minutes?
I'm waiting for Debbie.
I'm sorry?
For Debbie.
This guy tries and check if this door is open, but the owner pulls up just in time.
Hi, I'm meeting with somebody. Oh.
This guy's been creeping around this house. Probably thinks no one's home because his driveway's empty.
Hi, can I help you?
Yeah, she's coming. I called Debbie and she's coming. I'm waiting for her.
For who? You're waiting for who? I don't understand why you're in front of my property for 10 minutes. So I don't know who you're waiting for.
What are you doing?
Are you fucking kidding? Are you kidding?
Sorry, we're not interested. Have a great day.
This bird got a package. I have a package in the middle.
I don't have a package coming to my house.
The package I sent you.
So go away, please.
I get it though.
This guy tries to bait this lady out with a package. He definitely doesn't look like a delivery guy. This is a very strange situation. This guy gains entry into the car and steals their car.
Yeah. Steal the car. That's what I'm doing.
I need to come home. I need to come home.
Another strange situation here. This lady just keeps repeating, "I need to come home." This isn't her house.
Come on. Right here. I need to come home.
This guy breaks into this Hyundai and steals it in less than 20 seconds. For you Hyundai owners, there's a new software update, so you won't have to deal with these people stealing your car so easily. Looks like we got a petty plant thief. Nothing is safe anymore. This guy attempts to steal this scooter, but he's just way too loud. Make sure you keep those doors locked. Not sure what's up with this trend of checking doors. This guy decides to break out all these windows.
Watch the house outside.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
Okay, yeah, maybe it was probably a scam. I'll put my stuff away and head away. Sorry.
What is that? I never asked for that.
Okay, yes, maybe somebody else. Do you know any Van James?
No.
Okay, yeah, it's probably a scam. Somebody trying to scam us to do free work or something.
Oh, God.
Yeah.
I'm very busy. I got stuff to do.
Okay, sorry. I'll put everything away and I'll take off. I'm sorry.
Strange looking guy. I definitely wouldn't open the door. This guy pretty much does the same thing. Stares into the camera and doesn't say anything. Make sure you keep those doors locked. And with the holiday season approaching, let's try to check out these other alternate ways we can get our packages delivered to us or to our loved ones. Because these people are going to get real active.
I need to come home.
She needs to come home, but she needs to go find her home because this is not her house. Not sure if she's on drugs or anything. She looks pretty normal. Gotta remember to lock up these valuables.
I mean, it could be anywhere. Yeah.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. I really appreciate you all. To lock your doors and let's be safe out there. Thanks for watching.
Who's there?
It's 5 teenagers.
Who's there?
Thank you for watching Hood Watch News. Don't forget to like and subscribe.